The skin is the largest organ, and what that means is it's one of the most important, and we tend to take it for granted. Now, we keep talking about skin barrier, but do you know what that even means? I'm Dr. Anika Goyal, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Soul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. Today, let's talk all about skin barrier and why most of India is damaging their skin barrier and how you can manage this and prevent it. Now, the first thing to understand is that our skin and the barrier is essentially made up of the corneocytes and the lipids that hold it together. What does that mean? So imagine a brick wall. The bricks are the corneocytes or your skin cells, and the cement in between are the lipids or ceramides that you keep hearing so much about. So what ends up happening in a disrupted barrier is that the cementing in between the bricks is falling apart and the overall skin is damaged. It's leading to cracks through which all of the external environment is entering into our skin and damaging it further. When you talk about a healthy skin barrier, it's not just the external factor, we also have to consider the internal factor. So when both of them are in balance, you'll see a good healthy barrier and your skin will be able to tolerate so much more, and it will be able to carry out its function, which is to protect you. Now, some of the things that are disrupting your barrier. The first, of course, and most common is sun exposure. The more sun you're exposed to, the more damage that will happen to the barrier, the more disruption of that lipid layer or the ceramides that are cementing the bricks together or your skin cells together. Now, what ends up happening here is that sunlight will also lead to an increase in the pigment cells, so you'll also see some pigmentation. You may even see redness or irritation. Other factors here are active ingredients. Why I mentioned this one and in the initial part of this video is because most of us are using skincare. Now, skincare entails active ingredients, of course. So what are people using that could potentially disrupt the skin? Vitamin C. Even though vitamin C is an amazing antioxidant, it may not be for everyone. All of these chemical exfoliants like AHAs, BHAs, they also tend to disrupt the barrier. So we have to understand if your skin can even tolerate it or not. Retinols, once again, amazing for anti-aging, but they can disrupt the barrier. So if you do have a disrupted barrier, you cannot jump right into active ingredients. You first have to stabilize your barrier. In general, when anyone has any kind of skin issues like acne, rosacea, or even eczemas, the skin barrier is already disrupted, so we also have to treat it accordingly. Now, what can you do to prevent disruption of your barrier? Prevention is better than cure, of course. So the first is make sure you're using gentle cleansers, you're moisturizing according to your skin type, and you're using your sunscreen. Make sure that your diet is good, so you're having good antioxidants, green leafy vegetables, protein, and a lot of water, at least 3 to 4 liters a day. Make sure you're not going into direct sunlight, and if you are, use your sunglasses, your hat, try to cover your body as much as possible. Do not just use any kind of serums or active ingredients because an influencer told you to or you saw it on Instagram. Make sure that you're following a routine for your skin type and see your dermatologist before formulating that routine. This is especially for younger people below the age of 25. I think that your skin is still changing, your hormones are changing, and you do sometimes need guidance on what to use. Now, once your skin is disrupted and the barrier is disrupted, the steps to follow. First and foremost, a gentle cleanser, sometimes even just plain water. Second, use a nice moisturizer with ceramides, with some hyaluronic acid. You can even add on a hyaluronic acid serum, but not a serum that has like a cocktail of ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and all of that. None of that. Just stick to basic hyaluronic acid serum. And apart from this, sunscreen. You don't need anything beyond this. But of course, a good healthy diet and exercise is non-negotiable. If you found this video helpful, if you know anyone that's really into skincare but their skin doesn't even look that good, or you think they need some guidance, they should consult a dermatologist. You can share the video with them, like the video, and subscribe to my channel.